Hey everybody, it's Jerry. And this beauty right here is some type of, I don't know what. It is insanely cool. It's a chainsaw angle grinder. It is badass. It's a chainsaw blade made for an angle grinder. It's cool as hell. I'm getting ready to play with it some more. I've already been playing with it a lot. So stick around and check it out. Alright y'all, like I said, I already been playing with this thing a lot. I've been cutting through anything that I can find. This is an oak knot. You know, it was just a huge knot that I couldn't get it busted into, so I was going to burn it like this. But I decided I want to try this sumbitch out and see what it can do, and it done it. It sure the hell done it. I screwed it to my table. I couldn't hold it. I was trying to hold it and cut into the thing, but I ain't strong enough, I guess, to hold it. Man, it is cool. I demolished that piece of wood. I screwed it down to my table, my bench here, and I just cut the shit out of it. I cut this thing all to pieces. It is cool as can be. I'm going to show you a little bit of how it does. It's badass. You got to see it. Like I said, I already been down here playing with this, and I just had to share it with somebody, so here you are. If you don't want to watch it, then don't. But it is so cool. And watch how easy it cuts through this thing. That badass. That is just bad freaking ass. Look at there. People doing woodwork. I mean, you can't beat that. You really can't. It's like I said, it's badass. Get back over here. Well, anyway, you get the idea. It is cool. It is very cool. I don't know what it's called. It's some kind of morph between a chainsaw and an angle grinder. Whoever invented this is, man, they're a genius. They are a genius. But like I said, told you before, I've been cutting the hell out of everything. I wanted to share this with somebody, so I decided to make a video. It's cool. It's very cool. I love it. I really like it a whole lot. For wood carvers or any kind of woodworker, I guess, it's the way to go. If you do any kind of big carvings, I think that's the way to go. But I'm getting off here. I gotta do some more playing. I'm gonna play with this some more. And hopefully I don't cut my damn hand or something off. You know, I'm not using a guard. That's my own stupidity. You should always use a guard on an angle grinder, even though it's like half chainsaw now. Ain't that cool? That's just cool as hell. But I'm out of here. Catch y'all later.